Hi, it's Adrian. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with a new look and a palette that I again didn't have the time to play with a lot, and so now I'm finally getting to do some really smoky looks, and so I thought I'd go ahead and show you what I have on today. I started with the Skin Silk. I have mine in F2. This is by Revolution, and you can get this one over at Ulta. And then I did go ahead and use the NYX, and this is the Bear With Me concealer. I'm pretty sure the lightest shade in this one. And then bronzer, the Heatwave by Flower Beauty. So that's what I have on for bronzer today. As far as the actual blush I used the LYS Curvy blush. And so this is the color that I have on there. And really, yeah, I really like this line. There is a lot of pigment and a lot of shimmer in these LYS blushes. So yeah, really liking those. Let's see, what else did I use? I used the Flexitarian highlighter today, and that's from Colourpop. That one you can get over at Target. And then as far as the eyeshadow palette, did go ahead and use the Smoky palette from Beauty Bay. And I had gone ahead and picked this up, but I hadn't had time to go ahead and play with it as much as I would have liked. So I decided to do a really smoky look today. Did go ahead and start with this in the crease and some of this in the crease. I did also use this for my eyeliner under my eye. As far as what I used in the inner corner to about midway is going to be this one that has sort of a blue-gray shift to it. As far as what I used, let's see, okay, so this one is going to be right under the brow. And let's see, as far as an inner corner pop, we can go ahead and use this one to do it. And we'll just do more of an inner corner pop. There we go. So there you go with more of an inner corner pop, and that's what I used right there. Basically, I just went ahead and worked with the shimmers, and I did go ahead and blend them. So most of the crease and higher up is going to be these two shades mixed together. And I think it's a beautiful palette. I really have I always enjoyed the Beauty Bay formula, and like I said, I just haven't really had the time to go ahead and do a really smoky look. And so yeah, it came out really smoky. Let me go ahead and show you close up here. And yeah, let's see, as far as what I went ahead and did with this much, you know, of a dark look, I really did want to go ahead and brighten up my under eye a lot. So I got out the Mirabella Glow Powder, and and I went ahead and put it right under my eyes to go ahead and have them to go ahead and brighten up my under eye. And then I did go ahead and use the Beauty Pie, and their Triple Glow Powder is my finishing powder. And then as far as the lips, this was in the ice cream box for this month. It's by Charmacy. It's their Duochrome. And so it's a lipstick and let's see, well, it's basically glitter. Here, I'll show you. And so it's a purple glitter. So it makes everything nice and shiny. And I did use a Colourpop lippy pencil to go with it. So yeah, that turned out really pretty. I really like the look. It's kind of doing more of an orange lip with this kind of an eye, but I'm liking it. I was really thinking maybe I wouldn't, and maybe I'd have to do something different. But yeah, I'm thinking it worked out good. So this is the look, and definitely would go ahead and recommend the Smoky palette by Beauty Bay. All of their palettes are amazing. They do a 9 pan, a 16 pan, and a 42 pan. And so this is the 16 pan of the Smoky. And when you want to go ahead and just do a nice deep dark look, you can definitely do it. You could also go ahead and just do, you know, one of the shimmers all over the eye, and that would probably be really gorgeous. I'll need to go ahead and try that one. So yeah, that's the look, and I think that's a video, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.